what do the buttons do, as well as how can we use tools as a side menu, custom menu link on the site. So I'm going to show you exactly how that works. So first off, the buttons are pretty straightforward. They show up both in Conversations tab as well as in the Contacts tab. So if you're looking at a conversation and you want to apply a tag, right? So you can make the button apply a tag. If I push this, it's just going to apply a tag, apply this tag to that contact. Another thing that you can do is imagine you have a staff member and they just get off a call and they want to fill out a form, they want to update an appointment. You can have it be a parameter URL, which automatically preloads the contact's email address. Makes it easy to update real quick. So those are contact buttons. That's how that works. Now, how these work over inside of as tools, as you can see here, it's just a custom menu link that I put. I'll show you how to do that. So you all know there's some tools that work above the agency, and then some actually work within subaccounts. Some of these tools are webhooks, triggers, contact buttons. So what happens is since we actually are pulling the subaccount ID in, you can show these as tools to where the client can update them and then do things themselves, like webhooks, for example. And what's great about this is you only see webhooks that are specific to this account. So contact buttons are the same way. That's how I update contact buttons. So that's how that works. Now, how do you make this inside of GHL Plugins? You just go over to your settings, and if you haven't done this before, I really encourage you. There's some cool features over there. Hopefully, it doesn't make me log in again. So the first thing you want to do is white label your name, put your agency name. The other thing is customization, right? You can set the background color, the nav, everything that you want. You can make it look like your brand. Then the last thing is links. So what you do is you just go here, add a link, and then you add the services that you want to add to the sub account. And we actually have agencies that are selling these a la carte. So they turn them on, they turn them off. They let some sub accounts use them, some sub accounts they don't let use them. So these are just a couple tools that automatically will start working inside of those sub accounts. All you have to do is take this custom menu link, add it to the sub accounts you want, and boom, they magically start working. Hopefully that helps.